going for actual classes. I'm serious. Because sometimes our thoughts are jammed, right? We cannot release them. We can't get rid of them. So we've got to get help. And that's my encouragement to you. Remember, you have to understand that this has been studied for years. So they have different models. One of the models from like Barlow, he has a cognitive arousal model. And this is where he shows how your thoughts affect your arousal, especially with men. Once their performance anxiety kicks up, that's it. All right. There's another model called cognitive behavioral emotional model. That's where the psychological part comes in, right? When you're emotional, again, like I said before, if you're too emotional or too little emotion, or your behavior is just out of the norm, you're going to find that you have to be able to have some calmness. Again, that anxiety or that too cold or too hot. You've got to have some sort of balance there so that you can actually enjoy the different way the body processes and moves into the different stages of arousal and response. We also know, of course, the dynamics of relationships, right? So they really affect how we think. And I'm going to talk about that too. That one is going to be a long talk with relations and how our relationship affects our mind and how we feel. But, it affects our emotions, it affects our thoughts. It actually is a motivational response. So they say that when you're in a relationship, it motivates you. Isn't that so cool? It motivates you to be either more sexy or more lovable or more basically happy, right?